Take command of the road in the 2020 Ford F-150. It features four-wheel drive capabilities, a durable automatic transmission, and a refined six-cylinder engine. Top features include a split folding rear seat, delay-off headlights, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Ford also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.